Hello everyone. This video is about a double-sided knit that is highly elastic, embossed, attractive, and elegant. 2 rows and 4 loops make up the pattern. This knit is based on a technique of wrapping stitches from the bottom row. It is knitted loosely and with a hook thicker than usual. At the end of each row, we will knit the edge loops, and at the beginning of the row, we will slip without knitting. The sample has a multiple of 4 stitches, plus 1 for symmetry and 2 edge stitches. We start from the right side. Row 1 is on the right side, after the edge loop. The repeat pattern is: slip 1 stitch with a yarn over, pull 1 loop from the bottom row under the second loop, knit the next 3 loops, pick up the pulled loop with the left hook and pass the 3 loops through it, slip 1 stitch with a yarn over, pull 1 loop from the bottom row under the second loop, knit the next 3 loops, pick up the pulled loop with the left hook and pass the 3 loops through it. Row 2 is on the wrong side, after the edge loop. The repeat pattern is: knit all stitches from the beginning to the end of the row. The loops with a yarn over, knit together. I have presented you with a very elegant and unique elastic knit with a beautiful relief and texture in only 2 rows. It will decorate any garment knitted with it. I highly recommend it. If you'd like to check out my knit creations and get them for yourself or as a gift, visit knitnotspace.com. I appreciate you all being here. If you enjoy the video, please click the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications never to miss a video. I hope that you found inspiration for your next knitting project. Thanks for joining me, and I look forward to seeing you soon.